Hey everybody, it's Debbie O'Neill of Scrap Me Quick Designs, and today is Black Friday in the US, where we are busy snapping up deals and bargains after Thanksgiving. And I would like to offer my community my own Black Friday special. As some of you may know, I offer what I call Jolly Holiday classes, and it's a series of 5 classes each year. They're always completely different each year, and they are to make holiday decor and gift projects, and you learn different techniques and get to work with a variety of supplies, and you can use and learn those techniques that you can use on projects throughout the year. Okay, so what I've done here is I have taken my Jolly Holidays 2018 classes and I have bundled them with last year's classes because so many of you are new in the Cricut Explorer and Cricut Maker community, and I want to give you a chance to take all 10 classes that I have. These are recorded classes and they are only $45 for all 10 classes. You are not going to find anybody else offering you 10 recorded classes for $45 that you're going to get to make some fabulous projects. So let's take a look at what you're going to get. And this is for Cricut Explorer or Cricut Maker users. You will be using Design Space cut files, and you will be there will be a supply list that you get as well. I'm showing you this on my website because this is where you're going to go to register, and I will provide a link where you see in the description of where you see this video. And so for a limited time only, I'm offering you all 10 of those classes for $45. So that's less than $5 a class, guys. You are not going to find classes for less than $5. Anyway, so the 10 classes you're going to get are gift boxes with acetate, gift card holders, oven mitts with heat transfer vinyl, framed gifts, tags and toppers, floating ornaments, holiday double-sided tabletop signs, holiday house treat box, a holiday apron and towel set, holiday wood slice ornaments and a gift bag for that, and holiday lighted shadow box. So how this is broken up is that you will get a there'll be 5 recorded classes for 2017. So they're the ones here that you see. Okay, so these are the projects. So there's the gift boxes with the acetate and the oven mitt, and there's a little cute little gift pop-up gift card holder that's part of that class. There's 2 of the frame gift decor. One is to put a photo in, and the other one is like a decorative element. Then there are tags and toppers for gift giving, and then you will also, I will teach you how to do the floating ornaments. And in the acetate gift box class, we actually make out of acetate a little gift card bag holder for those floating ornaments. So that's in the 2017 class. And then you will also get, as part of this bundle, you're going to get all my 2018 classes. In 2018, we did double-sided signs with vinyl, and we also cut felt, and we made a poinsettia, and we made a stacked heart shape to go on those signs. These are perfect for setting on a tabletop, on a buffet table or entry hall table or whatever. And then we also made a really cute, adorable holiday baking apron, and we did tea towels. So we did kitchen towels, so there's 2 kitchen towels in that. And then we also made holiday wood slice ornaments, but we did a little twist on this. We used some chalk paint on it for our background, and then we used regular vinyl and foil vinyl, heat transfer vinyl on those wood slices. So really fun. And then there's also a little gift bag that you can make for that, a little muslin drawstring bag. And we also did a lighted holiday shadow box. So instead of using those glass blocks that are really heavy to ship and to store, I found a way for us to use just those 8x8 shadow boxes that you can buy at the craft store, and that is what we made in that class. And then the last project for 2018, we made this super adorable holiday gift box. It looks like a little house, and it can be used over and over again, and it was a lot of fun when we put that together. And so those are the 10 classes that you would get if you buy this special bundle. Okay, now this is perfect for any level of Cricut Explore and Cricut Maker user. If you can at least follow directions and put your material that from the supply list on your Cricut mat and hit the go button, you'll be able to cut all the materials out, and then I'm going to show you how to assemble them, how to apply them. I gave you a list of the glues that you need, so you get all that information. So this is great for beginners, and also advanced people really love these classes as well because it helps you get through projects really fast. So you get all 10 recorded classes, you get the supply list for 2017 and 2018 classes, you get the Design Space cut files for 2017 and 2018, plus there's a private class page on my website where all those videos and documents are stored, and you will log in and you will get access to them whenever you want to look at them, anytime you want to watch them. And so this is my special offer for Black Friday. Those classes are only $45 for all 10 of those classes. I put a lot of work into giving you guys high quality classes where I teach you lots of tips and tricks that you can use again and again, not just for these Jolly Holiday classes. Anyway, in the description of the video is a link for you to go to my website to register for this. Once you register, you get immediate access into the classroom, and you can start watching and creating. And I will talk to you guys later. Let me know if you have any questions. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody. I've got a house full of people. I had to sneak away to come try to do this video, so that's why I'm just showing you the website. But since the classes are hosted on my website, I figured that's not a bad thing either. Anyway, talk to you guys later. Happy crafting.